Hey guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to use Gemini AI to edit photos. So firstly, to start the edit you need to of course upload your photo because we're starting from something. We're not creating but editing. In order to start, you can upload a file. Of course that can be a photo. Press on the plus and then upload files. Also alternatively you can use your Google Photos account and upload from there. Alright, and then about the prompt, don't just say make it better. That's just too vague. Be specific. So as an example, you can type something like remove the people in the background and change the setting to a sunset at a Tokyo rooftop. So this is kind of a funny photo that I've made in a video game, so I will just go ahead and try to remove a background from it. So the prompt is as follows. Just type in remove the background. Make it more pleasing, and make just, you can just, do anything you want. And then just, you can use either the faster thinking model or just go ahead and choose thinking, and then you can just submit. And also in this May's update of this year, you can now use the remix tool to apply artistic styles. Right then, and also guys, if you want to change one specific thing, you can just highlight the area and then say, for example, change the color of my shirt to deep emerald green. And then Gemini will process the request and generate a 4K high fidelity version of your image instantly. So as you can see, I just told it to make the background more soft, like a candle pretty much. And now, as you can see what it did, it also removed these little sun reflection, sun rays pretty much. And now, as you can see, they're absent and the lighting is just different. So pretty much, guys, your imagination is now the only limit to your photography. Hopefully this guide helped you polish your pictures. If so, like and subscribe.